Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. First, if you want to change the straps or the wristband on this watch, you need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on the straps you have this basically pin or lever you can pull on to release the strap. And basically how it works is you grab it with, for example, fingernail, and then pull it to the middle of the strap, to the inside, and once you pull it, the mechanism will release and you can pull out the strap. And how it works, we can show it right here. Basically it retracts this pin and it hides it inside of the band, and then it releases the band from the watch. You can do the same for the second one, so pull on the lever to release it like that. Quite simple. And here we have our straps. And once you get the new ones, you simply put them back on by placing one end of the strap of the pin, one pin on the side, on the hole on the other side, then pull the pin again, realign it on the hole and release it, and it's gonna snap in and it's gonna hold like this. So put one side in, pull on the pin, realign, release the pin, and it's gonna hold. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.